Hello, my name is Cristina. I'm from Spain, and the goal to be member of Envy Mobile was to be part of a European group to develop new materials for my job. I'm a teacher, and I wanted to improve my knowledge and my ability, and at the same time meeting new methodology and new people.
I decided to participate in this project because I wanted to compare with teachers from other countries of Europe. For me, it was very interesting to improve in new methodology of teaching, in particular because I think when you teach, you have to know a lot of methodology because you have to try different things because we have the possibility to help students to think that environment, in particular science, is fun, it's interesting, it's in everywhere.
We have been very lucky with the partners because I think all of us get on well, and it's a good training. I hope is to be continuing working with this kind of projects and put in practice this methodology in my school or in my job.
It's a very great opportunity to be part of an international group to improve your knowledge and to compare with other people, because comparing for teachers is very important because it's a strange work. We are very often alone in our class with our students, and our compare it's with the students, but it's difficult to have compare with other teachers. So this is a great opportunity.